Just got your keys. Stop! 3 tips for self-defect checking. Firstly, on your aircons for 3 hours and above to check for crack lines. Then fill your sinks and drain it to check the water leakage. Then use your phone chargers to check your power sockets.
Before this, I really have no idea how to do defect checking. I thought it was just like testing out the doors, cabinets, and maybe the electrical appliances. I didn't know that there's so much knowledge that has to go into defect checking. Lucas really did a very good job in the defect checking. I think every new homeowner should definitely engage a professional to check their new home. Thank you, Rezt+Relax, for providing the defect checking service.